I am going to show you a beautiful collection of stretch silks. These are all solid. They are all Hugo Boss, and they are beautiful. So we start off, this color is called Carnation Pink. Light, you can see the drape is just beautiful. They all have one-way stretch in one direction. And they did not have the designer. They told me the designer couldn't be named, but there was a tag on one of them, and they're all Hugo Boss. So just FYI, I love this. This is kind of a mint green. These are all stretch silks. They're just beautiful. Look at, you can't see through them. They're just beautiful, beautiful silks. This one is a off-white, kind of a cream color, neutral, whatever. I'll put my hand behind it just so you can kind of see how much transparency there is. And I'm going to burn one for you because you want to see. This is a black, and obviously it's a little more sheer. It's beautiful. A blouse and 2 layers on the blouse. We've got some blouses, or that new blouse, our 626. Oh my goodness, it would be so beautiful. Again, they're all $24.99. This is a beautiful, the color they call this is, oh, it's not on here, but it's a rust. It's perfect for what's in style right now. This whole rust brown thing has just gone crazy. This matches that wool stripe that came in. All right, and this last one is an olive green. It's not a deep olive, but it's definitely olive green in color. That's the color it has on it. All right, so when I go to burn these, this is what silk burns like. So silk actually won't burn. It will extinguish itself, which is exactly what that's doing, if you notice. You don't have to worry about it kind of burning out of control, because it won't. It will just extinguish itself. And once it does, I'm going to rush that along just for camera time. Once it does, you'll have a very distinct crunch on the edge, and the whole thing will just peel away. It's just a crunch. It's beautiful, just really beautiful. So the colors, again, there's a carnation pink and a mint green and a cream, like an off-white. It's kind of a milk color. They're all stretch in one direction. And then there's black and the rest and the olive green. All today for $24.99. You guys, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.